Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will discuss tips to become a graphics artist. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys. If you are new, by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Tips to become a graphics artist. Becoming a graphics artist requires a combination of artistic talent, technical skill, and creativity. Here are some tips to help you get started. Number 1. Study the basics of art. Understanding the basics of art such as color, theory, composition, and perspective is crucial for any artist. You can start with outline tutorials, classes, or books like Drawing on the Right Side of the Brain by Betty Edwards. Number 2. Learn graphic design software. Familiar yourself with industry standard software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and InDesign. You can start with online tutorials or classes like those offered by lynda.com or udemy.com. Number 3. Build a portfolio. Create a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills to potential clients or employers. You can start by creating designs for yourself, friends, or family and use online platforms like Behance or Dribbble to showcase your work. Number 4. Network. Attend industry events, connect with other artists on social media, and seek out mentorship opportunities to build relationships in the industry. Joining a professional organization like the Graphic Artists Guild can also help you connect with other artists and learn about industry standards and best practices. Number 5. Practice, practice, practice. Continuously hone your skills by practicing and experimenting with new techniques and styles. Push yourselves outside your comfort zone and stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies in the industry. So the references that I used in this tutorial video is Edwards B. 2012, Drawing on the Right Side of the Brain, the definitive 4th edition, Tarcher PRG. Okay guys, so this is the end of my video on tips to become a graphics artist. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.